Hello friends, welcome back to work. And there's some problem with this code, and problem is that we have to write the logs if there is any issue, and we have no tracking of the logs. So for this we will use the JWT package to create the logs. This is also an interview question that what you will use to log the for logging. You will use the JWT package, and what is the level of logs? Level of logs means info log, error log, warning log. This is called level of logs. Okay, so there is a one library I have created library functions to handle the log, and by using the JWT package, this is called logger lib. Okay, copy this and paste it inside log. You can see that, paste it. Okay, and I have to settle everything. I have to use the JWT package, so go get and settle the dependency. JWT package, it's good. Now config I use, actually I have used some variables for the configuration, so you can use that. So I will use config also. Block project. Okay, and this folder I will copy paste it fully, and I will copy paste it here. See that now it is sorted. Okay, what is constant? There are some variables are written which is used by the every project. Date time format, current date. You can use these all things which is useful for your project. Okay, and for the logs I have written these constant. You may also remove them. This is not required right now, but you can also carry them. There is no issue. So directory, where in which directory I will write the log, and this will be the log directory. Server error, something went wrong, these are just variables. Okay, info log for this, warning log for this, log file by date. I will write the yes then date wise, the no then it will not write the date wise. Okay, so I'm making this no, what happened. Okay, so don't worry about this, just copy paste, and you can see that there is a JWT package, and you have to use this package, and there are functions info log, warning error log, and warning log. We have used 3 logs type, and you can also use more log types. So right now I have used 3. Okay, so how to use this? Just come here and try this. Suppose that there is user already registered, and this is just like a warning, not error. Then you will use warning log. Suppose that I am here, and I will my package warning log is in lib package. I will use the wlog variable, and the function will be warn, and the error, what will be the error, and my error message will be similar this: user is already access. So I will write this one here. Okay, so what will happen when I will run this code? AIR, I'm running my project, and you can see that this is already registered. Okay, this is already registered, and log folder is automatically created by this code, and you can see that these files are created, and I will check this warning. This is warn level time, it will automatically log the time, caller key means in which file I have the problem, user controller, and will tell me that in line number 34 message user is already exist. So this is just like a warning, not a error. Okay, so this is working very fine. Here you can see that, and for others I can also use like this. Live. This is error actually. Sorry. Live user already exist, and this is error here. If there is any error, you can see that. You can write this error here. This will be error log. Okay, I have to use also that. This one. Find the user. If there is any issue, I can use it. Okay, I make some changes here. This will be not a warning, this is an error. Okay, so I have written elog error message, and this is just like a warning, and if there is an encryption error, then it's an error, not warning, because it's a critical matter. And this is also an error, so I can also use it here. And register user, if there is any problem, then this is also an error, and I will write this error here. So what is log? When you will run your application, when user will use your application, then there may be some issue, and he will not come to you, tell the issue. So our log will write real-time data inside these files, and it will say that there is some issue, please handle this issue. If there will be any error, then it will be automatically handled. Right now we have error and warning, so we can see and fix it in runtime. This is called log. It means logging the problems or writing the problems in a particular file. So you can see that this is very good and working good. Now one more thing about the model. Model here, user. Okay, sometime you can see that when I am writing this code and sending the request, it is saying user is already registered. Okay, and this is due to the way I am writing the log inside the log. And if I want to see the query, what query is executing, then how can I see the queries, running queries? You can see that right now first this query will be run. So I am clicking that. Okay, and I will write that dot debug, and you can see that it will print the value. 1 minute. Yes, you can see that when I will write this here, go connect debug, then if I want to see the query, I will go here and click this. You can see that it will show me the running query. select count user email that active one. Okay, so this is for debugging purpose, that what query is running, to see that. Okay, right now I need not to know this, so I will remove this. So you can see that everything is settled very well and log is writing. So this is enough for today. We'll meet in next video for other work.